Howdy, and welcome to Brooklyn Tool Garage. This video is going to go over my '89 Mustang. I had junkyarded some control arms from a different car, from like the '98 Mustang or something like that, and my Steeda springs. So pretty good picks there, but the bushings were gone, and the bushings that I put in there are mostly working, but they need a little bit of spacer for the bolt in there. We'll get into that. I'm going to use my 3D printer to fix this issue, so instead of mostly fitting, they actually fit. Let's check it out. Alright, getting the old Mustang going. I want to make sure all the systems are working pretty good, getting ready for the engine build. I hadn't been driving it because the engine kind of is old and it knocks and everything. So I'm over here working on control arms. I had some noise on it. Now what I did, I found these out of the junkyard, and unfortunately the bushing, someone put grease in the poly bushings and it destroyed them. So given these are who knows what brand, I couldn't figure out the bushing, so I just took a size and guessed at it. It's actually the front control arm bushing. The small one on the front actually fits in there, except for one problem. That no working. So I'm going to make some shims out of with my 3D printer with some PA6 glass fill, and put that in there. And I'll take that slop out till I actually buy some good ones, but that'll work for now. My whole solid 156 wheel horsepower setup that we got right here, that'll work fine. Alright, we're going to see if that works right there. I did a couple test runs of the shorter ones, and there we are, the full-size pieces, and it's complete. Right here. All done. Bam. That easy. So we're going to see how warm we are. We need to cool off a little bit, but there they are. Let's go, well, after they cool off, throw them in. Alright, here we are. They're printed. I do the, this little outline, I forgot what you call it, and it keeps it from warping. It's just kind of my standard setting for the PA6 glass fill that I have, no matter what I'm making. So this texture is rough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of my Mirka 180 sandpaper and just kind of go over it right quick just to smooth it out, and then we'll go over with some white lithium grease. That kind of keeps the water and stuff out, because the PA6 glass fill will absorb moisture, and if it does that, it grows. Like the ID gets bigger around and the OD gets bigger around, right? That's what it can do. The black I found, at least from Bamboo Labs, isn't too bad, but their orange, that's a whole nother story there. Alright, I'm going to get these cleaned up and lubed up and thrown in.
Might need a little taparoo on that one there. Just a touch.
And just like that, we are back on the ground with Jim Junkyard Mustang. And I need to go take this out for a drive to see if all my suspension's acting the way it's supposed to be acting. So, and, well, I just want to go take it for a drive.